Alright guys, this is just a quick removal of air cabin filter for this I think this is 2002 Acura EL. So guys, this is very important as a part of your car repair maintenance, replacing your air cabin filter regularly. So mostly the air cabin filter is located behind your glove box. So guys, the way you remove this glove box for this Acura EL, there's like a tab right there, a plastic tab. That's the one. Just press that one, guys, and then you can remove this. So let's try to press it. There you go, guys. Now it's been removed. Maybe I'll put this right there. Then that's the plastic. So press this, guys. See this? Press this too. Squish it. Then you can remove this. Same thing, guys, in here. That's the one. So same thing on the other side, guys. Just press it. Then there you go. That's the second. We're just gonna call it retaining lock. And guys, over here, that's the air cabin filter cover, this one. So it's pretty much the same with the, if you see the 2007 Mitsubishi Lancer. So the same design. So press it here, guys, and that's the air cabin filter. And when you remove this, guys, protect yourself, wear a mask, because mostly this is super dirty, guys. So see the arrow, it's pointing down. So when you change this, guys, whoa, look at this. Again, guys, this is the most neglected parts of the car. I think this has been here for like 10 years. I don't know, guys, look at this. You don't wanna, you know, breathe this dust. That's the reason why, guys, I always make videos for removal or replacement for air cabin filter, because guys, this is very important, especially right now, pandemic time. We need to, you know, breathe fresh air. We don't want to get you know, breathing problem in the future. So guys, look at this. How can you, you know, guys, it's I know it's very easy to, you know, do this, but this, they always neglect to, you know, replace this, guys. So we're gonna talk to the customer. We will tell them they have to replace it. Okay, guys, this is just a quick you know, quick tutorial for how to remove the air cabin filter for this 2002, I think, Acura EL. So guys, if you have any question, any suggestion, please comment down below, and consider like and subscribe my channel too. So guys, that's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. So guys, actually we got two filter. So there's one more over here. So just slide it. There you go. So do like two of them. So now, guys, we get the replacement part. AC Delco. So guys, let's remove the disgusting, gross filter. So one, then the second one. Holy cow. Wow. Shoot. This is super dirty. Look at the new one. So airflow, it's going down, guys. So it should be like that. So now airflow be going down. Let's put this one here. And put it on. Okay, then second one, airflow going down. There we go. Then let's put back cover, and then guys, it's done.